In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminder in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an event in Yahoo Mail's built-in calendar and make sure you get a timely alert before it happens. First, open your web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. This is the quickest way to land on the official sign-in page. When the results appear, click the top result that takes you to Yahoo Mail's homepage. If you're already signed in, your inbox will load right away. If not, you'll see the sign-in screen. Go ahead and sign in to your Yahoo Mail account the way you normally do. Once you're in, you'll be looking at your inbox. Now, look to the right-hand side of the page for the panel that contains several quick access icons. Find the one that looks like a small calendar. That's the calendar icon. Click it to open Yahoo Calendar without leaving your mail. If your browser window is narrow, this panel might be collapsed. Just expand it so you can see the icons clearly. With the calendar open, you're ready to create your reminder. Click New Event near the top. If you already know the exact time, you can also click directly on that time slot in the calendar grid to start an event. This opens the event creation screen. Enter your event details. Give the event a clear title so you recognize it later. Choose the date and start time, and adjust the end time if needed. You can add a location or a short description to capture any important notes. If you want more control over the notification, click Add More Details. This reveals additional options that help you fine-tune how and when you'll be alerted. Next, find the Reminder section. This is where you tell Yahoo when to notify you before the event begins. Select the time frame that works best for you. Common choices are 15 minutes before, 30 minutes, an hour, or even a day in advance, depending on how much preparation time you like. Choose something that gives you a comfortable buffer, especially for events that require travel or setup. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your event is now on your Yahoo calendar, and the reminder is set. When the time arrives, you'll receive the alert based on the option you selected, helping you stay on track without keeping everything in your head. That's it. You searched for Yahoo Mail, signed in, opened the calendar, created a new event, customized the reminder, and saved it. If you ever need to make changes, open the event from your calendar and update the details the same way. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying organized with Yahoo Mail.